comment also going forward in the fight over gender expression, gender identity? How do people combat or win that fight in front of human rights courts and tribunals? And yeah, we'll leave it at that.
No. There's no excuse for them. That's why they're called Social Justice Tribunals in Ontario. Like, that's what they're called. And so look it up yourself, and that's what they are. So we had a court system that worked perfectly well, which doesn't mean it worked very well, but it means it works better than any alternative anyone has ever been able to think up. And the Human Rights Tribunal can suspend normal jurisprudential standards. They use preponderance of evidence. They don't assume individual innocence, and they can change the rules as they see fit. And so those bloody things are pathological to the core, and they're mouthpieces of the postmodernist neo-Marxists as far as I'm concerned, and they're setting up a parallel law system. And they're also doing that. They're also, and this is the Wynne government, they're also forcing the universities to adopt particular definitions of sexual harassment that make every, let's call it complicated interchange between human beings into an act of violence. Not that I'm trying to justify stupidity or oppression, but we're all stupid and we're all oppressors, and so the probability that we'll make some sort of dopey sexual error is 100%. And now that's become grounds for, accusations of rape, and they're forcing the universities and the colleges to become parallel legal systems as well. And that's already well advanced. It's already been adopted at the U of T. It's as a consequence of direct legislation, and you better look out, because even if the people who are running those institutions right now are reasonable, which they're not, they will absolutely be replaced by people who exactly want that kind of power and will absolutely use it. So no, those things should be abolished. We have a legal system. The Law Society, now I may not have this exactly right, but I've got it mostly right. The Law Society in Ontario has already decided that lawyers are racists. They're going to force them to undergo unconscious bias training. And they've come to, and they're agreeing, by the way, they've already come to the conclusion that because the legal profession does not have the precise representation that you'd expect if you did a demographic analysis of the population according to the terms defined by the social justice warriors, that it's racist, and that they're racist, and that they need to be trained unconscious first. It's like, so go ahead, lawyers, like, line up, man, admit your guilt, you're done, and you deserve it too. So